Chapter 45. The dragon waited. Mornings rose, nights fell, but he did not move from the bridge. Every night the stars filled the sky like snowflakes falling on black stone, and then melted away as the sun mounted. When the sun rose, the red strings of the bridge melted into the sky, and the bridge seemed to disappear, only showing itself again at night. A stinging wind blew in a silver mist, and the cold rock was hard and unyielding. Still the dragon waited, but on the third night, just as the moon began to slip down in the sky, Dragon saw a faint figure on the bridge. With a joyous roar, the dragon jumped up and the figure became clearer and clearer. "Min Li, you're back!" Dragon shouted. "Did you see him? Did you ask the old man of the moon my question?" Yes, Min Li laughed as she hugged the dragon. "I asked him, and he answered. So now I know how you can fly." "How?" Dragon asked. Min Li climbed onto Dragon's back. With both hands, she clenched the stone ball above his head. "Take a deep breath," she said to him, and with a jerk that took all her strength, she yanked the ball off his head. "Ouch!" Dragon yelped, but then he began to smile. "I feel so light," he said, "so light and peaceful." "The old man of the moon said you would not be able to fly until the ball was removed from your head," Min Li told him. "He said it was weighing you down." "It was," Dragon laughed, and Min Li clutched his neck with her spare arm as he rose into the air. The wind seemed to join their whoop of laughter and sweep them into the sky as the dragon flew for the first time. The silver clouds embraced them and then parted as the dragon flew through, as if he were rippling the sky. The pale moon looked as if it were smiling at them with a soft glow. As they skimmed the stars, Min Li closed her eyes with delight. As they returned to the ground, the dragon asked, "What about you? Did the old man tell you how to change your fortune?" Min Li was silent. Dragon turned to look at her. "What happened?" he asked. "Did he not tell you?" "I didn't ask," Min Li said. "I was only allowed one question." "What?" the dragon said. "You need to know. You've come all this way. We will fly back and you can ask him." Before Min Li could utter a protest, the red cord bridge seemed to shriek, and as they turned to look at it, the bamboo stakes began to rip the ground, leaving ugly slashes as the bridge was dragged away from the land. The bridge jerked violently, the bamboo supports clattering as it was pulled up into the darkness. "The old man of the moon will not see me again," Min Li said. "He won't answer any question for another 99 years. "But you," the dragon sputtered, "your fortune, your parents." "It's all right," Min Li told him. "When it was time for me to choose, I suddenly saw I didn't have to ask." "You did not?" the dragon said. "No," Min Li said, and suddenly memories rushed through her. She heard the buffalo boy's laughter as he refused her money, saw the king's generous smile as he willingly parted with his family's treasure, and remembered Da'afu's last words to her. "Why would we want to change our fortune?" they had said. She had shaken her head in confusion then, but now finally Min Li understood all of it. Fortune was not a house full of gold and jade, but something much more, something she had already had and did not need to change. "I didn't ask the question," Min Li said again and smiled, "because I don't need to know the answer."